Hi, I'm Girly Roque. Now I am going to recite the 22 formula of cell composition, weight and volume relationship. V sub S is equals to volume of soil solids and volume of water in the voids. We have the V over V sub W and V sub A for volume of air in the voids and V sub V volume of voids. And we also have the W sub A equals to 0 for neglecting the weight of air. Now for us to have the total weight of soil sample, we will use the formula of W equals to W sub W plus W sub S. Okay. First in the line, we have the void ratio. It is the ratio of the volume of voids to volume of solids. So, our formula here is E equals to volume of voids, which is VV, over VS, volume of solids. Number 2, porosity. Ito naman, ratio to ng ng volume ng voids to total volume. N equals BV sub V over V. Dali lang, di ba? Puro V lang, tapos N. Tapos, alam ko, meron pa tong mga mga kasunod. Pero, yung highlight lang yung tinandaan ko. Yung N equals to E over 1 plus E. Tapos yung number 3 na formula, degree of saturation. Ito naman, S equals to V sub W over V sub V. Number 4, moisture content. Ito naman, to sa water. W equals W sub W over W sub S. WWWWWWS. 5, unit weight. Unit weight. Ito yung Y. Y equals W over V. Number 6, the dry unit weight, dry unit weight, moist unit weight, dry unit weight. Ito yung YD, tapos WS over victory. Tapos 7, yung moist unit weight natin. Mahaba yun eh. Ano siya, Y equals YW equals WS plus WW over victory. Tapos meron pa siyang sa mahaba siya, basta. Tapos na lang, Y equals YD parenthesis 1 open and close parenthesis 1 plus W. Number 8, yung dry unit. Ito E siya. E equals to VV V sub V over V sub S. Tapos E equals VY over 1. E equals VV. Tapos meron pa tong mahaba din to. Huwag ko kasali yun. Yung naka-highlight lang yung tinandaan ko. Tapos, 9 na. degree of saturation, ito ano to, is